And Nick's opening up his first one. And there it is.
Whoa.
Show it to the camera, Nick. Cool. What is it?
Sideways.
It's a dart throwing thing. Throw darts.
It's Christmas morning. And there's Jojo. Where'd he go? Oh, there he is. Here he is, Christmas morning, ready to get hot and happy after them gifts he got. Santa Claus make it, Joe?
Yeah.
Huh. Did he bring a lot of stuff for you?
Yeah.
Did he? Good deal. Good morning, Alicia. Merry Christmas.
Look at all them presents out there.
Did you see all the presents Santa Claus brought?
Awesome. I hope I got you.
What do you think, Alicia?
I think I got Santa got that chicken baby on the list.
We'll see.
And a Barbie.
There's
baby.
Nick.
Nick's got a
No,
picture.
my Bobby pool. That Bobby pool I wanted.
Oh, we
Okay.
gotta see.
Let's see first.
We don't know what.
So this is what the Farr family looks like in the morning on Christmas.
Oh God, don't. Looks pretty rough.
Joe, go next after Alicia. Dan! That's what we saw on TV, White Joe. And she ate a White Joe.
Find a bunch of Nicks. 1, 2, 3, 4 Nicks.
What?
Mom, can I play with this too?
Oh, Dan said something was big to me.
How to shut.
The big one right there. That's awesome.
That big one back there is Nick's ate it.
You guys gotta move out away from the table some more so when you guys unwrap them I can see what the heck you got.
I can't figure out where nothing's at. Thanks, Sandy.
Joe.
Blame Santa. Excuse me.
No name?
It should be. Let me see it.
No name.
Flip it.
Who just shit?
Me.
God.
Sorry.
That's probably mine. That one right there is Nick.
Nick, move away from the table now.
Back over there.
There you go. Right there's good.
God, stinking.
Well, I'm sorry. What you got? Joe.
You should be over
This
here.
is what I always wanted. I got that at
This is
least
too bad.
and I figured like I would give it to
Dad
my sister.
from Nick, Joe, Alicia, and Mom.
Okay about this. Nick, wanna box it? Nick,
I
Joe?
borrowed the box from the neighbors.
Alright.
I did.
Yeah, right.
Okay.
She did. Too little. Too little.
Joe, are they little?
I'll use it.
I'll give you the middle.
Come on, Pocahontas.
I'll give you the extras.
I gotta take my time. I only got one.
Yeah, well, this is kind of heavy on my hand here.
Hey, if you wanted this, you have more money in that.
Yeah, put all this together. Real boxing.
Nick, if you had a refilled thing in here, you don't have a lot. Yep.
Thanks for the light.
Let me show you something.
Tell the kids thanks. That was their gift from you to you.
I never was here, Mom. No.
Hey, you said you liked it, didn't you?
Yeah. Lisa. Oh, I thought you wouldn't turn.